In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal business account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on each screen, so you can get your account set up confidently and without confusion. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. Type PayPal in the search bar, then click the official PayPal website in the results. Make sure you're on the genuine site by checking that the web address is correct and that you see the secure padlock icon in your browser. This quick check helps you avoid lookalike pages and keeps your information safe. Once you're on the PayPal homepage, look to the upper right corner and select Sign Up. This begins the account creation process. On the next screen, choose Business. A business account is designed for selling products or services, accepting customer payments, and accessing tools like invoicing and checkout features. If you see both personal and business options, be sure to select Business so you get the right set of features for your needs. Next, click Get Started. This will take you into a guided setup. PayPal will prompt you to provide your personal details. Expect to enter basic information such as your name, your business name if you have one, and your contact details. Use accurate, official information that matches your legal documents to prevent verification issues later. If your business is registered under a specific name, enter it exactly as it appears on your records. Also, choose an email address you check regularly, since PayPal will use it for important notifications. Take your time here. Completing these fields correctly now saves you from back and forth later. After you've reviewed everything for accuracy, proceed by selecting Agree and Create Account. Before you click, it's a good idea to scan the user agreement and policies so you understand the terms you're accepting. Once you confirm, PayPal will create your business account based on the details you provided. That's the entire process. Find the official PayPal site, click Sign Up, choose Business, hit Get Started, provide your personal details carefully, and then select Agree and Create Account. If any button labels look slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Designs can vary by region, but the flow is the same. Keep your browser updated, use a secure network, and double-check every field before you continue. Pause the video as needed and follow along step by step. When you're ready, let's get your PayPal business account set up with confidence.